This 2023 Keystone Cougar Sport 2100RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, microwave, oven, LP detector, TV, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, awning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Cougar Sport 2100RK is 6,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.